Hey friends, I'm back. I waxed my underarms with me using Tickle Pink by Sexy Smooth. It is the summertime and these things has gotten a little bit out of control. Now, not too much on me. I don't know how to make perfect strips while I'm working by myself. It's just never gonna happen. I be trying, but it ain't gonna happen. And also, I don't see how people be consistent with waxing themselves, especially Brazilians. Y'all are my strongest soldiers because how? It's the self-inflicted pain. But real quick though, let's talk about this wax. So Sexy Smooth, the company itself, is probably my favorite company ever. They have 3 waxes that are my faves, which is this Tickle Pink, Purple Seduction, and Cherry Desire. And I didn't cut this clip on purpose just to show y'all how quick this wax dries. And it gets every hair from the root. So I really didn't even need that cleanup strip. See, look, bow. Okay. See, look at me. I'm just having fun. You know, I got to distract myself while I'm waxing myself because, you know, it hurts so bad. And you think I'm listening to some Glow, some Boss Man D-Lo. But no, I was listening to Beyoncé. Act like you know. But back to Miss Tickle Pink. Look at her. She is so gorgeous. Look at the pink. Like, anybody who knows me know that I love pink. So this color is perfect. You know, you got to prepare yourself before you pull that strip. Look at these roots. One and done, y'all. Like, I ain't even need no cleanup strip, so I ain't do it. Okay. Now I'm applying my aloe vera and boom, look at these smooth underarms. Yes. Next, I gotta wax my stomach because y'all niece is growing and my stomach looks atrocious. So we'll be back.